morning students. In last class we have discussed about identity, right? We come to know that what is an identity, what is an equations, and based on that we have solved few problems. And I told about standard identity, right? 4 standard identities we have learned. What is that? The first standard identity was a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this was the first identity. The second identity was a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity was a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. The fourth identity was x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus into the bracket a plus b of x plus ab. So based on this identity we have solved problems also. Okay. In today's class, based on this we are going to solve the exercise 6.5. Now see, first one they have given, use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. Say in this only few I am going to solve, okay? The remaining all you have to try by yourself. Now see here, use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. See in one of the example what we saw, they used to use this identity, right? But they have not given here like that. You have to think of which identity you have to use here. Now say use a suitable identity, they have told specifically. Okay. Now say the first is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Now see students, solution. First one, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So this can be written as x plus 3 the whole square. Yes or no? X plus 3 into x plus 3 is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square. It is 2 times. Now see student, this is in the form of what? See here. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. Okay. That is a plus b the whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. That is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see here in place of a what is there? In place of a x is there. Okay. In place of b 3 is there. Okay. Now use the identity. That is equal to, say is equal to a square means x square plus 2, okay, a means x, b means 3 plus b square is nothing but 3 the whole square. This is equal to x square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Okay. So this is about the first problem. In the similar way, we will go for the third one. 2a minus 7 multiplied by 2a minus 7. So this is nothing but this can be written as 2a minus 7 the whole square. Yes. Now tell me, this is in the form of what? See here, it is in the form of what? A minus b the whole square. Yes or no? That is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes. See, in place of a what we have? In place of a we have 2a. In place of b we have 7. Okay. Is equal to, now see here, a minus b the whole square is nothing but a square. Here 2a the whole square minus 2 is there 2. In place of a what we have here? 2a. Okay. In place of b we have 7 plus b. In place of b we have 7 the whole square. Now 2a into 2a is how much, students? It will be 4a square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28 minus 28a plus, don't do 7 2s are 14, 7 7s is what? 7 7s is 49. Okay. So this is about the third problem. Okay. Now we will go for the second main. Now see what they have given the second main. Use the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab to find the following products. Now in this I am going to consider only one problem, that is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Now see here students, I told you that when you have to use this identity means here the same x is same. Yes, x this is same and here a and b are changed. Now see here, when these two are same, okay, when the here also x is there and here it is changed, right? That is, we have to use here x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. They have only given, there is no any problem, right? Now see a solution. X plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7 is equal to what? X square. Here what is there here? X square plus a means this here. What is in place of a? What is there here? 3 plus here b. In place of b what is there here? 7. In place of x we have x only. In place of a what we have? 3 we have 3. In place of b what we have? 7, right? So that will be x square plus 7 plus 3 is what? 10. It will be 10x plus 3 7s are 21. This is the required solution. Okay. Now we will go for the third mean. Find the following squares by using the identities. Now say first one, b minus 7 the whole square. Now say find the following squares by using the identities. By using the identity we have to find out this. Okay. Now see solution, b minus 7 the whole square. Now see student, using identity, say which identity we can use here? Using identity, this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now see here, a minus b the whole square is nothing but a square. Here in place of ab is there, it will be b square minus 2 is there, minus 2. In place of a what we have? In place of a we have b. In place of b what we have? In place of b we have 7 plus b square. It is nothing but 7 square. Now b square, 7 2s are 14 minus 14b, 7 7s are 49. So this is the required solution. This is about the third main. Now we will see the fourth main. Say fourth one they have told, simplify. In that first one, a square minus b square the whole square. Now see students, solution, they are told to simplify this. They are not told using this identity, that nothing. Okay, they just told simplify. Okay, now see students, a square minus b square the whole square. Okay, now say this is in the form of what? Using identity. Can we use this identity? Using identity, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Can we use this identity? Yes, see here. In place of a what we have? In place of a we have a square. In place of b what we have? B square. Okay. We can use this identity, that is a minus b the whole square. It is nothing but a square. In place of a what we have? A square the square minus 2. In place of a what we have here? A square. Okay. In place of b we have b square plus in place of this we have b square the square. Okay. So this will going to equal to, now let's say simplify this, a 2 2s it will be 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b raised to 4. So this is about the fourth main first. Okay. Now we will solve the fifth main. Now we will see the fifth main. Show that first one, 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 the whole square. Now see students, what we have to do means here we have to show here this is equal to this, means we have to show LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now see a solution. So what is the given thing? That is 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x. Now see students, so here we can use the identity, right? This is LHS is equal to. Now see student, this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? Identity tells us that a square means 3x the whole square plus 7 the square plus 2ab minus 84x. Okay. Now see here 3x into 3x is what? It will be 9x squared. 7 into 7 is 49. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. It will be 42x minus 84x. Now see what it will become? 9x square plus 49 and this will be minus 24x. Now see here student, here 9x the whole square can be written as 3x the square plus, okay. So this is 49 can be written as 7 the whole square, 7 7 is 49 minus 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 7. Now see here 3x into 3x is 9x square, 7 7s are 49, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Now this will be a 42, okay. I written wrong here. 2, it will be 42. 2 3 is 6, 6 7s are 42. Now see here, this is in the form of what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Can I write like this here? 3x minus 7 the whole square. So this is nothing but our RHS. We shown no LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So this is about the fifth main. Now we will see the sixth main. Now see sixth one, using identities. Using identities, evaluate. First one they have given 71 the square. Now see here students, they told using identity find out the value of this. Now see here solution. 71 the square. So this can be written as 70 plus 1 the whole square. Yes or no? Now tell me, using identity, which identity we can use here? Say using identity, a plus b the whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can use this identity here. Yes, here is equal to is there is equal to a square means 70 the square plus 2. In place of a 70 is there, in place of b 1 is there, plus 1 the whole square. So 70 into 70, it will be 4900 plus 270 is how much students? It will be 140 plus 1. So what will be the total answer? It will be 5041. Okay, this is about the sixth main. Now we will go for the seventh main. Now see seventh one. Seventh main, this is using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, find. Okay, first one they have given 51 the square minus 49 the square. Now see here, using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, find they have told. They only have given the identity. Now see a solution. Now see in place of a square, see 51 the square minus 49 the square. This is nothing but a square minus b square. So what is that identity? A plus b. Here a is nothing but 51. 51 plus b is nothing but 49. Okay, in a is nothing but 51 minus b is nothing but 49. 9. Say what is 51 plus 49? It will be 9 plus 1, it will be 10 here. 5, 4, 9, 10. It will be 100. Okay. Multiplied by 51 minus 49 is 2. 100 into 2 is 200. Okay. So this is about the 7th main. Okay. Only few problems I am solving. You have to try out the remaining problems. So now we will go for the last main. Now say 8th main, using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Find first one they have given 103 multiplied by 104. Now see students, they told to use this identity. Okay, using this identity we have to solve this. See solution, 103 multiplied by 104. This 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. This 104 can be written as 100 plus 4. Okay. Now see here 100 plus 3, 100 plus 4. Use this identity here, x square. In place of x, 100 is there. 100 this square plus in place of a 3 is there, 3 plus in place of b 4 is there. In place of x we have 100 here plus in place of a 3 we have, in place of b 4 we have. Okay. Say 100 into 100. It will be 10,000 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 into 100 is 700 plus 4 3s are 12. Now what it will become if we add 10712. Okay. This is about your exercise 6.5. Okay. Once more I am telling, perfect with the identities because it's a very fundamental thing for the mathematics. You have to practice, and the remaining problems you solve by yourself, and this completes your chapter. Thank you.